Imagine a machine born not just for the road, but bred for the racetrack. A motorcycle that brings the heart of MotoGP to the streets with uncompromising aggression, power, and precision. This is the Aprilia RSV4 1100 Factory, a true apex predator in the superbike world. Designed and engineered in Italy, it's not just a motorcycle. It's a finely tuned weapon crafted to annihilate lap times and ignite the souls of adrenaline junkies. When Aprilia set out to redefine what a leader-class superbike could be, they didn't just aim for more horsepower, they reimagined the entire riding experience. At the core of the RSV4 1100 Factory lies a beastly 1,078 cubic centimeters V4 engine, an Aprilia hallmark that produces an astonishing 217 horsepower at 13,200 RPM. The torque output is equally impressive, delivering 125 Newton-meters at 11,000 RPM. The sound of this V4 is pure symphony, metallic, raw, and unmistakably Italian. It screams through a lightweight titanium Akrapovic exhaust system, turning heads whether you're blasting down a straightaway or carving through mountain passes. This is not just performance. It's character, it's emotion, and it's racing heritage flowing through every gear shift. The chassis is an engineering masterpiece, constructed from a lightweight aluminum dual-beam frame that balances rigidity with flickable agility. The bike responds to rider input with surgical precision. Whether you're trail braking into a hairpin or leaning into a long sweeping corner, the RSV4 1100 Factory delivers feedback so clear it feels like an extension of your own body. The swing arm is optimized for maximum grip and stability, even under brutal acceleration. And thanks to its compact wheelbase and central mass layout, the bike remains supremely stable at high speeds, something you absolutely need when you're pushing 300 kilometers per hour. Suspension duties are handled by fully adjustable Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 electronic units, top-of-the-line semi-active forks and rear shock that constantly adapt to your riding style and road conditions. Whether you're hammering around the track or navigating uneven urban streets, the ride remains firm, controlled, and confidence-inspiring. The front 43mm Öhlins NIX forks and the TTX rear monoshock offer supreme damping characteristics, and you can fine-tune every aspect of compression, rebound, and preload electronically with ease. Braking performance is just as aggressive as the engine. The RSV4 1100 Factory is equipped with dual 330mm Brembo Stylema front calipers, grabbing onto massive rotors with ferocity. The rear brake is a 220mm disc with a 2-piston caliper, more than enough to help balance the bike under heavy deceleration. Coupled with the latest Bosch 9.1 ABS system with cornering functionality, the braking performance is as intelligent as it is powerful, giving riders the confidence to push the limits in every riding scenario. The electronic suite on the RSV4 1100 Factory is one of the most advanced in the world. Aprilia's Perform